Hello there, lovies, and welcome back to another video. This week's video is about us reviving Naavah's hair after her being in swimming class for the last 2 weeks. As you can see, we need to put a lot of moisture back into her hair, so let's get into it. I'm going to start by taking out all the rubber bands that are still left in her hair. Now I'm going to be spraying the hair with warm water to loosen up the hair strands, and so it'll make it a lot easier to take the twists and the braids out. I'm going to saturate the hair all over to make sure it's really lubricated with the water, and I'm also going to massage it into the hair. Now I'm going to start adding in the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this product. It smells wonderful, it invigorates the scalp, and it invigorates the hair strands. It works wonders. I'm going to apply this all over her head. I want to start at the edges to go ahead and give them a little bit more time to be coated in the hair mask. I'm going to work my way out from the outsides and then start going in on the insides, making parts so I can get down close to the roots as possible. And I'm going to section off one side, applying it all over that section, making sure I'm going from the roots to the ends. And I'm going to be able to easily detangle the hair, as you'll see shortly. I'm going to be able to detangle the hair very easily with the hand detangler brush. As you'll see, the mask allows me to comb the hair from the ends to the roots with little to no friction or tension at all. As you can see, I'm able to go ahead and I'm able to even comb up from the roots all the way to the ends of her hair. I mean, the Mielle Organics gives it amazing slip. She's not crying, she's not having any issues at all. You guys are absolutely gonna love this product. And after I comb it out, I take the time to twist up each section to get it out the way, and I repeat on the following sections the same exact process. Now I'm going to add a plastic cap and allow the product to absorb into the hair strands. And we actually were able to allow this to sit overnight until the next morning, and now we're going to wash it all out. Guys, she is too silly. And now we're going to start rinsing the product out. Do you guys see this? Her shrinkage is real. I want to say she has to have like 95% shrinkage, because you'll notice on here how much her hair elongates once we're running it under the water, and then as soon as we stop, it's gonna shrink up. Now we're going to go in and start adding the Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner from their pomegranate and honey line. Now that we worked in the leave-in conditioner, we're going to go ahead and add in the olive oil to lock in that moisture. Now that I've applied the oil to seal in that moisture from the leave-in, we're actually going to shock the hair cuticles closed with the cold water right before we apply basically our last step of this process, because she wanted to wear her hair out today, and so mommy obliged. At this point, I wanted to give you guys a close-up and show you how springy and hydrated her curls are. They are loving all of this moisture right now, and as I said before, you can see here that her hair loves the moisture and it shrinks up immediately, and the curls are so bouncy. This is basically our last step, where we're going to add in the Mielle Organics styling gel from their honey and ginger line to go ahead and just basically allow her curls to have a lot more definition and hold out throughout the day, because she is a little kid. She likes to play, roll around, and that equals frizz. We all know that equals frizz. So with this gel, it actually helps the hair stay clumped together, so you can see a lot more definition throughout the day, so it's just not a ball of frizz once the day is over. If you see here, the gel allows her curl pattern to be very, very defined. You can see every single strand is super defined, and she just loves her hair like this. She tries to wear it out like this all the time, but it's just, we just can't do that. We just can't do it. We just can't do it, because having to pick out lint and all the miscellaneous things that children decide to pick up and roll around in, it's just not feasible. I can't do it for my sanity. And now we're gonna go ahead and lay her little baby hairs to kind of finish off the style. This is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can follow us on our social media at Evolution of Day and at Kitty Magic TV for the kids. You can also check out our parenting blog at whattheparent.com. You guys are always welcome to send us love mail to our P.O. box. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.